Hello everyone, I'm from Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This lecture is for class 9, unit 2, chapter 5, health and personal hygiene. In this chapter, I'm going to explain that health and hygiene go together. A teen growing through puberty which began to experience of many different kinds of physical and mental changes in their body. Some just accept the change, but there are many who go through internal conflicts about the changes that are happening in their body. Personal hygiene entails more than just being clean. It includes many practices that help people be and stay healthy. Many of the health problems that adolescents face are linked to their activities and habit. Adolescents are active during play, exploring the world, carrying out science experiments, etc. At home and in school, these activities bring them in contact with dirt, germs, and chemicals. They need to be aware of the harm that these can cause and how simple measures like washing hands repeatedly can help prevent disease like typhoid, cholera, worm infections from spreading. Adolescents also need to know how to take care of their evolving and changes in the body, as bathing daily, use of proper soap, maintaining dental and oral hygiene, care of the eyes and ears, and grooming are some of the activities that adolescents need to carry out. Evidence suggests that adolescents, if they maintain proper hygiene, are less predisposed to skin infection. So girls, as you all know, of your age, puberty is going on and the periods are going on, and in this period you have to take care of your personal hygiene very seriously. Then the habit pick up in childhood and adolescent has a long-term impact on our health as adults too. Thus, adolescents, many of them from vulnerable backgrounds, needs appropriate information and skills how to remain disease-free and maintain personal hygiene. This will not preserve their present health but also will protect them in future. So, taking bath at least once a day, wash hands frequently with antiseptic lotion to avoid spreading germs, brush our teeth at least 2 times a day, keeping fingernails clean by removing dirt and cutting with them short with nail clipper every 2 weeks. Girls should take precaution to wash their private parts from front to the back to avoid infection of these parts. Change the undergarments daily. The underclothes to be made of cotton. Wash undergarments after using for 1 day and dry it properly in the sun.